Srikam. Srikam. Voice is not. I will show you the hardware. Are you able to see this? Hello? Just brought in my chamber. I thought like I will say, I'm worried about the battery, nothing else. Because battery is dangerous, correct? Yes, I will just discuss few hardwares. I will try to power for the cameras. Okay. Just want it is not coming. Yeah, so previous time you have seen this, correct? Just understand. So I saw this autopilot system related connections, correct? Started with this Pixox system, then mission planner already explained how is working that. Then I given the different components about this, okay. Then I think I share about the propulsion system also. And today just I will show you the payload related. Antenna I have not got from the other lab. So if you see some propulsion system related, then I discussed the motors, correct? And this motors come with this type of ESC, okay. So this ESC is different. This is the OS motor. So OS motor comes with the different ESC, okay. And this ESC don't have power, okay, external power supply. So this need a power, but this cannot power any flight controller. So if you are using this, especially this to connect with the flight controller output, then your flight controller rails is not going to be powered, okay. So for that purpose we are expecting some ESC or maybe voltage regulator which can power the flight controller rail itself, okay. So you have to power this side when you see this, okay, all this rail. So that is the idea. This has a different costly ESC, but this has a inbuilt power, like this can give you power. BEC is there, okay, 5 volt or 5 ampere current can give you. So this was I was telling why this type of ESC required today, right? What is the importance of this, okay. Function will be the same to control the motors, okay. Only thing is that this can power your autopilot system also. So if flight controller is not connected with this battery, okay, you will get the power directly from the ESC also, okay. Otherwise at least the rail you will get the power. So most of the flight controllers like autopilot systems coming with this part, like you should have external supply to the autopilot system, okay. So that is the idea that you have to remember here, okay. Then engine side already I told about this. So just I'm switching the different types of the electronics. So I think just I brought the fuel. Most of the I think is 40%, 50% just setup which is required for the aircraft, smaller aircraft, your drone you can tell already here. Okay. So starting with the autopilot system related, starting with the telemetry. Okay. And the telemetry I given the another type of the different type of communication system, correct? So costly another communication system is not here. I think those things kept in the lab now. So I will show you. Then next thing I told you have transmitter RC control with the receiver. So working on this. So I will be showing through the DJI related. So at least you will get the some images or maybe control also. So I will remove the propeller. So that is the important part to remove when you're testing in the like a lab or maybe in chamber or maybe home. Okay. So you should not use the propeller in the chamber. Okay, so should we like outside is fine, that is the fine. So that is the one systems like this is the RC and you have telemetry to communicate with this. Okay, so this is the like both telemetry as well as the data link, your payload related data. So you have a camera in this. Okay, this is an inbuilt camera and you are transmitting signal from like what is the communication system available inside the drones to the your RC. So you are getting that and you are connecting maybe either mobile or maybe tablets, what you want, you can connect with that. Okay, so I don't know if wire is there or not. We will see that. I think it's not there. Okay, I missed it. Okay, I will check once again because there is need of the wire connectors. I will check in the lab. Okay, so this is the one part. Just give me, I will bring the wire, otherwise. Yes, I think cable is not there. Okay, so this is the one another like hardwares. Mostly you can get the signals which coming from the camera. Okay, so camera mostly will be on the UAV side, and then this will in your hand. Okay, so I will show you maybe if after connecting the battery we will check that. So need a proper. Yeah, so when you check if any camera is there, then you will receive the signals. After scanning this will scan your, if your any signals is working, level, then this will show you directly. Means this should be charged, otherwise you have to connect physically with any cables to power this. So always required to charge this. Once you charge, then you can use. Anywhere you can take, just on the telemetry range or whatever video TX range that you can capture this. So this is the one system. Means in hand you can capture the information.